Today I'm unboxing one of the Lash Stuff Beginner Lash Lift and Tint Kits, your all-in-one starter kit designed for beauty professionals who want to learn a new service, boost revenue, and get everything they need in one convenient bundle. One of the best parts about this kit is that it includes free online training. Right on top of the box, you'll find a QR code. Scan it to access your training link and class code, completely free with your purchase. Inside the box, everything comes packed in this sturdy pink storage bag. It's perfect for keeping your tools organized in the salon or on the go. First, we have your disposable mascara brushes. These feature a larger teardrop-shaped head, making it easy to comb and separate your client's natural lashes while you work. Next, you'll see a box of 5 sizes of glueless lift rods. These rods fit snugly on most clients' eyelids and stay in place without adhesive, giving you more control and comfort during the service. You'll also get our standard rod glue, used at the beginning of the service to secure the lashes onto the rod. Here is the eyelash conditioner with keratin, applied at the end of the service to nourish, strengthen, and condition the lashes. It's also a great retail add-on for your clients to take home. You'll also find micropore tape, ideal for securing the lower lashes or gently lifting any extra skin along the eyelid. These are your Step 1 and Step 2 Thioglycolate lift creams. They come in airless bottles to maintain freshness and longevity. This formula is sodium bromate free. These cleanser pads are recommended at the end of the service to release the lashes from the rods and remove any remaining product. You'll also get a tube of black tint. Lash Stuff offers additional tint colors if you want to expand your menu even further. And here is the tint developer, which activates your tint for deep, rich color. This isolator tool helps you straighten and wrap the lashes smoothly onto the rod before lifting. The kit also includes a tinting brush, perfect for applying tint evenly after the lift. These disposable micro swabs are used to apply your lift cream with precision. These disposable flocked applicators are excellent for gently removing lift solution from the lashes. And you'll get disposable mini sticks, which function similarly to your isolator tool to wrap the lashes onto the rod. Here is your silicone mixing dish, which has multiple small wells for holding your lift creams and tint during the service. You'll also receive eye gel pads for securing the lower lashes. These can be used alone or paired with micropore tape for clients with extra stubborn lower lashes. The kit includes simplified instructions to guide you through the service. These aren't a substitute for professional training, but remember your full course is included free with purchase. And to help you grow your business, you'll also get a counter display to showcase this service and spark client interest. Please note that the colors of the disposable tools may vary. This is one of the most complete beginner lash lift and tint kits available, and it's designed to help you confidently learn a new service, elevate your skills, and increase your income. Buy your lash lift and tint kit today and start offering a brand new beauty service your clients will love.